What's going on, guys? This is Kyle from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a CRM tracker using Google Sheets and GoHighLevel. Start off by going to Google Sheets and creating a new sheet. Add columns like name, email, phone number, status, and notes. Then under status, add drop-down menus by selecting the entire column, then going to insert and then drop down. You can then select one of the arrows and then select the edit icon and then give your drop down lists and then add items to your drop down lists. For example, contacted, you can add another item and say emailed. You can also change colors for each item and then select done. So now if you click the drop down menu, you will see contacted or email. Then go into GoHighLevel and select contacts. You can then individually select contacts or select all of them. Then go to the top right corner, hit the three dots and export. You will then go into Google Sheets and upload your contact files and they will appear here. You can then update your status as leads move through the pipeline. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.